I'm Erin Edwards. I'm here with Elizabeth Carmichael, Chief Designer and Development Officer at the Lab SD. She is also a licensed architect. Could you just tell us a brief overview of what the Lab SD is all about?
Sustainable developments is really my passion. We focus on biophilic design and not just greenwashing, but creating sustainable systems.
Can you explain what biophilic design is and how a sustainable development helps someone's well-being?
So it's really getting a human connection to nature. And we do that through design. The word biophilic doesn't necessarily refer to design, but incorporating that into design by forms that mimic nature, having an experience with nature, improves memory, lowers stress. We actually have Arkar Hine on our team, and he is a graduate neuroscientist. So we build on that and figure out how we can really incorporate it with the science backing it to make buildings better for the people, the planet, and the community.
Or what are the innovations that are making it better for the planet?
So we're finding that manufacturers are figuring out ways to actually have their manufacturing process be carbon neutral, have less waste, use recycled content, and that's a big change.
So if a home builder or a developer is on the fence about incorporating sustainable design, what would you normally tell them?
That is kind of part of my job, is showing how by going sustainable, it actually helps their bottom line. You can actually tout the sustainability features versus it being a deterrent. It actually will increase how long people will stay in the building, which is a huge benefit to them. Less turnover, less empty buildings. Before, it used to be that I would have to push clients into sustainability, but now it's the opposite. Clients really actually want to have a more sustainable building.
I think people will be really interested in knowing they may have to spend more initially, but then they'll end up saving over time.
Whatever your budget is, there's ways to implement sustainability in it. But there is a return on investment. You do get instant savings when you do, let's say, passive house design, where you're not having to use energy to run your HVAC. And if you have solar on your building, your energy costs are lower. But there is a little bit of an investment. The more you spend up front, the more return you're going to have in the long run.
So I was just curious, with the recent devastation in Malibu with the fires, it seems to me that building back sustainable and also fire resistant, did you have ideas on what homes they could build in fire prone areas?
I know there had been some neighborhoods where passive house design, a home was saved where the other homes around it had burned. So really getting a focus on that type of a structure is really important. I'm also on the board of directors for U.S. Green Building Council California, and they have a wildfire resource tool for homeowners, and actually a toolkit that they can download and see how to improve the fire resistance of their property.
Improving the fire resistance, is it also making it more sustainable as well?
It is, yeah. Some of it has to do with the landscaping around the property and brush management, but also how the building envelope is put together and making it airtight makes a big difference, because if embers can't intrude, then there's no way for them to get to the inner wood structure that is flammable.
Thank you so much, Elizabeth, for all the great work that you're doing. I really hope next time that we talk, it's about me designing my dream home.
I hope so too. I hope that comes to fruition for both of us.
And if anyone wants to know more about what we talked about today, where can they look?
Sure. Our website is thelabsd.com, and we're on LinkedIn, Instagram, so you'll be able to find us.
Please remember to like and subscribe for more environmental features. Thank you.